Do you want to know how to delete YouTube search and watch history? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So when you open the YouTube app, you can see the library option on the bottom right corner. Click on it and beside that, click View All. And what we usually do is to remove this by swiping it one by one. But instead of that, we can do is click on the three dots and select Clear All Watch History and click Clear Watch History. After that, to delete search history, go to YouTube settings and click on Manage All History. Now under History section, click on Delete option and click Delete All Time. Click Delete. And when we go back and check it, our search and watch history is now deleted. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any question or comment about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.